Cough. Introduction.
A cough is how your body deals with irritants in your nose, throat, or lungs. Select true or false.
Correct. When nerves in your throat come into contact with an irritant, the nerves send signals to your brain to cough. Ken has had a wheezing cough for 6 weeks. Today, he noticed blood in his mucus. Should Ken contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. A cough that lasts for several weeks and that causes bloody mucus and wheezing may be a sign of a serious health problem. Is coughing always a sign of a medical problem? Select yes or no.
Correct. An occasional cough is not a cause for concern, but a cough that lasts for a long time could be a sign of a health problem.
What can you do to help ease your cough? Choose one of the following options. 1. Suck on cough drops or hard candies. 2. Drink fluids. 3. Take a hot shower to moisturize the air. 4. All of the above. Correct.
Thank you for using Explain.